Ako naman, Noy.
Through the years, he's been very consistent.
Naalala mo, boy, nung nagigitara ka pa kay Hishek? Oo, boy, kinakanta mo. Pa-practice ka pa nun sa apartment.
Ginagawa niya for me. 12 years niya nang ginagawa.
B, from the moment I first saw you in high school, my first reaction was, wow, what a beautiful girl. Today, I vow to be the man who you will share your life with until both of us grow old.
So, nung dumating si Clea, mas lalo akong na-inlove sa kanya. Seeing the father that he is to our daughter.
God, I promise, hindi ko siya iiwan kasi alam ko gaano kasakit. Just promise me, God, na hindi niya din ako iiwan. And then, we met. And from then on, hindi ka na talaga umalis sa tabi ko. From celebrating my high school graduation, cramming my college thesis, trying out something that scares me, fulfilling my dreams, you were always by my side.
Yung hindi ko kayang isipin na wala siya sa buhay ko. Yung hinahanap-hanap ko siya araw-araw. Ang best trait ni Shek is very caring siya pagdating sa akin as a well-being, as a person. Sa tinagal-tagal na panahon, ngayon lang ulit tayo nagising na hindi magkasama. So, hinahanap kita kanina yung pumapala sa akin, "Uy, gising ka na." So, ayan, magkikita na tayo mamaya sa altar. See you there.
Babe, pagkasama ka, mas magaan. Pagkasama ka, mas dumadali. Pagkasama ka, mas masaya.
You were my first and last love, girlfriend, and now you become my first and last wife. My forever. Love you.
I don't care. I just wanna get warm with you. So we build a house, make it a home, and it grows as we grow. Yeah, it shows. Yeah, we build a home, away from it all. At least that's what I hope for. But now I'm at your front door. I just want